I present this townhouse in a gated community with a swimming pool, extensive green areas, and reception, located next to the old course in a very quiet area. With 122 square meters, it has been recently renovated and offers a living room with fireplace, a fully equipped kitchen, 2 bedrooms, 1 ensuite, a full bathroom, and a guest bathroom. Outside, it features a spacious terrace with excellent sun exposure and direct access to the garden. It is equipped with air conditioning and double glazing, and also includes private outdoor parking. An excellent opportunity in a prime location.